I'm Heli Greus. I'm the Product Assurance and Safety Manager of HERA mission. We are at the moment at ESTEC Nordwijk at the European Test Center. And this one, where we are studying at the moment, is the EMC's chamber. So HERA was here, as you can see, not at the moment. So we will find out where it is at the moment, but it's not here. So what we do here is to make a test between instruments. We switch on the instruments at the same time as they would be during the mission to the asteroid. And we check that there's no interference between the instruments which are on and they're working properly, and we get the science idea what we are looking for. Yeah, so this one is the acoustic chamber. So here are an acoustic chamber. We are not using it this time for the acoustic testing, but we are doing the propulsion testing here. So HERA is here behind, and you can see on this side is the asteroid deck. Right next to where the person is standing, there's two white circles. So those are the main instruments of HERA, which is called asteroid framing cameras. So those are kind of the eyes of HERA when we are going towards the asteroid. So we are keeping those eyes always on the asteroid, and if we see that we are a little bit going away from the course, you can see on the corners there, on the lower part, you can see the red, they're covered now by red protection caps. Those are thrusters, so we can fire the thrusters to make sure that we will be still on course. Then between those asteroid cameras, we have a thermal infrared imager from Japan, where we can see the impact that darted it. So if there's a crater, or maybe surprise, there's no crater at all, so that will be seen by the Japanese instrument. Then in the middle, there is a planetary altimeter, because once we have done all the observations of the impact darted, we will try automatic navigation. So the planetary altimeter will measure the distance to the asteroid, and we are navigating there without any ground commands. So it's the first time we are trying this, and it's of course safer to try it far away from the Earth, between the asteroids, which is also going away from the Earth. Then we can also see two silver rectangles. Those are the doors where we have two smaller satellites coming out, and those can go even closer to the asteroid and make observations. So these are deploying the two smaller satellites, which is called CubeSats, Juventas and Milani. So you can see here the door is open, so the CubeSats will be pushed up, and then they will be released to the space. So from outside from HERA, you can't see anything else than the door, but believe me, there are two CubeSats inside.